What if a temple was not just a place of worship, but a map of the universe, a manual of the human body, and a stage for divine dance and sacred music? This video takes you into Chidambaram, where Lord Shiva dances as Nataraja, space is worshipped, and devotion becomes movement and sound. In this journey, you will discover rare and lesser-known facts of Chidambaram, its role as both a Pacha Bhutasthalam and a Pacha Sabha, the profound mystery of the Chidambara Rahasya, the sacred presence of Patanjali and Vyagrapada, eternal witnesses to Shiva's cosmic dance. 21 linked videos exploring the deep association of more than 29 Mars and great saints with Chidambaram. The timeless musical legacy of Thevarams, Tiruvachkam, and great composers presented with audio clips. And how Bharatanatyam itself was shaped by the rhythm of Nataraja, illustrated through dance sequences. This is not just the story of a temple. This is the story of consciousness itself. The greatness, history, and association of saints with Chidambaram are so vast that they cannot be conveyed within a short time frame. Therefore, 21 separate YouTube videos have already been created and published. Kindly refer to the links provided in the description and take some time to watch them as well. Most of them are shorts. Watch this video till the very end and also explore the linked videos to truly appreciate the immense spiritual, cultural, and philosophical vastness of Chidambaram. In Tamil Nadu stands the Chidambaram Nataraja temple, where science meets spirituality and divinity dances to the rhythm of the cosmos. From the mystery of the Chidambara Rahasyam to the temple's extraordinary musical, astronomical, and anatomical design, Chidambaram reveals how ancient India saw no boundary between devotion and science. For followers of Shaivism, the very word Koil refers to Chidambaram just as for Vaishnavas, it refers to Srirangam. It is said that one must have the darshan of Lord Nataraja at least once in a lifetime. Welcome to Chidambaram, where divinity dances to the rhythm of the cosmos. Chidambaram is a Muktisthalam, a place of liberation. Ancient tradition declares. Birth in Tiruvallur grants moksha. Darshan of Nataraja in Chidambaram grants moksha. Thought of Annamlai in Tiruvannamlai grants moksha. And death in Kashi grants moksha. Within this Shaiva shrine also stands a Divyadesam, the shrine of Lord Govindaraja Perumal, symbolizing the coexistence of Shiva and Vishnu within a single sacred space. The name Chidambaram comes from Chit, consciousness, Ambaram, sky or space. Together, it means Chidakasam, the space of consciousness. This is the ultimate goal described by all Vedas and scriptures, realizing the infinite awareness within. The town, once called Thillai for its sacred mangrove forest, has been a center of Shaiva worship for over 3,500 years. Originally, Thillai Vanam was guarded by goddess Kali, the fierce embodiment of Shakti and cosmic power. When Shiva arrived as Nataraja to reveal the Ananda Tandava, a Leela was enacted as a dance duel and Urdhva Tandav. Kali moved out of the forest to the border. Lord Shiva revealed his true form as Nataraja in Thillai Vanam, dissolving the arrogance lived powerful rishis who believed ritual and karma alone ruled the universe. In Thillai Vanam, sages Patanjali and Vyagrapada witnessed Lord Nataraja's cosmic dance. Upamanyu Vyagrapada, the child of pure devotion, moved Lord Shiva to pour forth an ocean of milk at Chidambaram, proving that innocence and faith command divine grace. King Hiranyavarman, cured of leprosy in the Shivganga, rose as the golden-bodied protector who transformed Thillai into a sacred temple city. The temple flourished under the Cholas, and later the Pandya, Vijayanagara, and Maratha kings. Chidambaram uniquely houses Lord Shiva in three forms. Satla Thirumeni, the anthropomorphic form as Lord Nataraja, Satla Nishkala Thirumeni, the semi-form as the crystal linga of Chandramaleswarar, Nishkala Thirumeni, the formless space of the Chidambara Rahasyam. Lord Nataraja performs the Ananda Tandava, the dance of bliss. Each gesture symbolizes the Pacha Kritya, the five cosmic acts. Creation, the drum. Destruction, the fire. Protection, the raised hand. Concealment, the foot on ignorance. Grace, the lifted foot of liberation. Encircled by fire, Nataraj shows that destruction leads to rebirth. And chaos is balanced by harmony. Chidambaram is one of the Pacha Bhutasthalams, where Lord Shiva is worshipped as Akasha space. Earth at Ekambareswar temple, Kanchipuram. Water at Jambukeshwar temple, Thiruvannaikaval. Fire at Annamlaya temple, Tiruvannamlai. Air at Kalhasti temple, Shrikalahasti. Chidambaram is considered by ancient Tamil tradition, like Thirumular and modern spiritual beliefs, to be located at the Earth's magnetic center, with its Nataraja's big toe pinpointing this spot, enabling upward energy flow. A remarkable alignment places Chidambaram, Kanchipuram, and Shrikalahasti almost exactly on the 79 degrees 41 east longitude, symbolizing cosmic harmony. Chidambaram is also one of the Pacha Sabhas, where Shiva performed his cosmic dance in the Chit Sabha, the Hall of Consciousness. Apart from Chidambaram, the Rajat Sabha, Silver Hall, in Madurai. The Thamira Sabha, Copper Hall, in Thirunelveli. The Ratna Sabha, Gem Hall, in Thiruvalangadu. And the Chitra Sabha, Picture Hall, in Thirukutralam. Chidambaram temple's design encodes the human body itself, bridging the outer universe and the inner self. 9 gateways represent the 9 openings of the human body. The golden sanctum tilts slightly left like the human heart. 21,600 gold tiles represent breaths per day. 72,000 nails symbolize the nadis. 28 pillars represent methodologies of worship. 64 beams represent the 64 arts. Cross beams represent the blood vessels in the human body. The temple mirrors the microcosm and macrocosm. The Chidambara Rahasyam. Behind Lord Nataraja's idol hangs a curtain revealing an empty space adorned with golden bilva leaves, symbolizing the formless Shiva, pure consciousness beyond form and matter. Thus, the Chidambara Rahasyam is not merely a secret hidden behind a curtain, it is the eternal truth that when illusion fades and the mind surrenders, one sees the divine everywhere, even in the emptiness. See the interesting episode on Pacha Nataraja Kshetrams, where master sculptor Namashivaya Muthu, who crafted the Nataraj idol in Chidambaram, made 4 more for Chetparai, Kattari Mangalam, Karisujantha Mangalam and Karuvelankulam Nataraj temples in Tirunelveli district.
Chidambaram has drawn a large number of saints and seekers for centuries. Kindly see 21 YouTube videos, most of them shorts, of great Santa associated with Chidambaram Nataraj featured in our Great Saints of India series. See the video description for links. Saint Manikavsagar spent his final days at Chidambaram, reciting Tiruvachkam as Lord Shiva, disguised as an old Brahman, wrote them down in the temple. When priests saw the inscription, written by the Lord himself, they realized his devotion. Manikavsagar attained liberation here. Nandana Nayanar, the embodiment of pure bhakti, was denied temple entry but yearned for a glimpse of Lord Nataraja. Shiva performed miracles for him, readying fields overnight, moving the great Nandi at Thirupungur, and in Chidambaram, transforming him through a sacred fire so he could merge with the Lord's cosmic dance. Tirunelkanta Nayanar, a humble potter devoted to Shiva, chose lifelong celibacy and was honored by Lord Nataraja at Chidambaram for his steadfast purity, proving inner devotion outweighs ritual. Kutruva Nayanar, a mighty warrior, surrendered his pride and victories at the temple, realizing true kingship lies in devotion, not conquest. Kanampulla Nayanar, destitute but unwavering in faith, burned his own hair to keep lamps alight for Lord Shiva. Moved, Lord Nataraj granted him liberation. Appaiya Dikshitar, the renowned Shaiva scholar, composed his Unmatta Panchashti in a trance of bhakti, surrendering completely to Shiva at Chidambaram. He performed several miracles in Chidambaram. The 4 Santana Acharyas, Mekandar, Arulnandi Shivcharyar, Maraigna Sambandhar, and Umapti Shivcharyar, carried forward Saiva Siddhant with deep ties to Chidambaram, blending devotion, knowledge, and spiritual leadership. Saint Chendanar was a humble Shaiva devotee of Chidambaram, known for his pure, selfless bhakti. Moved by his devotion, Lord Nataraj came to his home to accept prasadam, and later made the stuck temple chariot move when Chendanar sung Thirupallandu. Saint Nambi Andar Nambi resurrected the lost Devaram hymns of the great 9 Mas at the Chidambaram temple, ensuring these songs continue to echo in worship till today. Cheraman Perumal Nayanar worshipped Nataraja with deep devotion. Pleased, the Lord made his golden anklet resound daily. Cheraman Perumal followed Sundar to Kailas on horseback, chanting Om Namah Shivaya. Sek Kizhar, minister who became a saint, composer of the Periya Puranam, the eternal chronicle of Shiva's devotees, Lord Nataraja himself gave the opening words of the sacred epic, blessing Sek Kizhar's divine mission. Ramlinga Valala laughed joyfully as an infant during Deepa Aradhana at Chidambaram, revealing early spiritual awakening. Later, he founded the Satya Jnana Sabha at Vadalur inspired by the Chidambara Rahasyam, and composed Thiruvaruppa, the songs of grace. Guru Namsivayar was a great Siddha for whom Lord Nataraj appeared as Guru, Guhai Namsivayar in Chidambaram. Goddess Shivkami herself served him food daily. His pure devotion moved Nataraj to perform the Ananda Tandava before the 3000 Dikshitas. Several saints and poets have sung shlokas, thevrams, and songs in praise of Lord Nataraja. As a tribute to them and the Lord, brief glimpses of each are presented here. Kindly watch till the end of the video. Do not skip. As a mark of reverence to these great saints, Patanjali, the eminent sage who compiled the Yoga Sutras, also composed the celebrated Sanskrit hymn Charna Shrungarahita Nataraj Stotram. Here are a few lines from this, along with some from the popular Chidambareswara Stotram.
Samudram Sumukham Trinetram Jatadharam Parvati Vamabhagam Sadashivam Rudramanantarupam Chidambaresham Hridi Bhavayami Sadanchita Mudanchita Nikunchita Padam Jalajalam Chalita Manjukatakam Patanjali Driganjana Mananjana Machanjala Padam Janana Bhanjana Karam Kadamba Rujimam Varavasam Paramamam Buddha Kadamba Kavidamba Kagalam Chida Buddha Manu Buddha Hridam Bujara
Subsequently, the three great Shaivaite saints Appar, Sundarar, and Thirugnan Sambandha sang Thevrams, while Manichkavasar composed the Tiruvachkam in praise of Lord Shiva at Chidambaram temple. Arungirinatha, S. Thirupugaza celebrates Murugan of Chidambaram. Tirumular, S. Thirumandiram reveals the inner Chidambaram, the heart as temple. Sekkijahar composed the Periya Puranam in the 1000-pillared hall of the Chidambaram temple, starting with the verse, Ul Kellam, given by Lord Nataraj. Swami Ramlinga Valala, S. Thiruvarutpa, 6th Thirumurai, also praises Lord Nataraj. Audio clips of these are presented here in sequence.
சிவபுராணம் மாணிக்கவாசகர்.
நமச்சிவாய வாழ்க நாதன் தாழ் வாழ்க இமைப்பொழுதும் என் நெஞ்சில் நீங்காதான் தாழ் வாழ்க கோகழியாண்ட குருமணிதன் தாழ் வாழ்க ஆகமம் ஆகி நின்றண்ணிப்பான் தாழ் வாழ்க.
பத்தனாய் பாடமாட்டேன். திருநாவுக்கரசர்.
முத்தனே முதல்வா தில்லை அம்பலத்து ஆடுகின்ற அத்தான் ஆடல் காண்பான் அடியனேன் வந்தவாரே.
செல்வநடு மாடம் திருஞான சம்பந்தர்.
செல்வர் வாழ்த்தில்லை சிற்றம்பலமேய செல்வன் கழலேத்தும் செல்வம் செல்வமே.
படித்தாடும் அடிமை சுந்தரர்.
படுத்தாடு கரதலத்தில் தமருகமும் எரியகலும் கரிய பாம்பும் பிடித்தாடி புலியூர் சிற்றம்பலத்தெம் பெருமானை வெற்றாமன்றே.
திருமூலர் திருமந்திரம்.
தேவர் உரைகின்ற சிற்றம்பலம் என்றும் தேவர் உரைகின்ற சிதம்பரம் என்றும் தேவர் உரைகின்ற திரு அம்பலம் என்றும் தேவர் உரைகின்ற தென்பொது ஆமே.
வள்ளலார் திரு அருட்பா.
தண்டலை விளங்கும் தில்லை தலத்திற் பொன்னம்பலத்தே கண்டவர் மயங்க வேடம் கட்டியாடுகின்றவர்க்கு தெண்டனிட்டேன் என்று சொல்லடி சுவாமிக்கு நான் தெண்டனிட்டேன் என்று சொல்லடி. உலகெல்லாம் உணர்ந்தோதற்கரியவன் நிலவுலாவிய நீர்மலிவேணியன் அலரில் சோதியன் அம்பலத்தாடுவான் மலர்ச்சிலம்படி வாழ்த்து வணங்குவான்.
எழுகடல் மணலை அருணகிரிநாதர்.
இமயவர் முனிவர் பரவிய புலியூரினில் நடமருவு பெருமாளே.
Great composers of Carnatic music have also offered their devotion here. Muthuswami Dikshitar, Gopal Krishna Bharti, Papnasam Sivan, Muthu Thandavar, Neelkanda Sivan, and Marimuthu Pillai, each transformed bhakti into melody, each note a step in rhythm with Shiva's eternal dance. Audio clips of some of their compositions are presented here in sequence.
சிவலோகநாதனை கோபாலகிருஷ்ண பாரதி.
சிவலோகநாதனை கண்டு சேவித்திடுவோம் வாரீர்.
ஆனந்த நடன பிரகாசம் முத்துசுவாமி தீட்சிதர்.
பூதேஷம் சார்தூல சர்மாபரம் சிதம்பரம் பூசுராத்ரி சஹஸ்ர முனீஸ்வரம் விஸ்வேஸ்வரம்.
சபாபதிக்கு வேறு தெய்வம் கோபாலகிருஷ்ண பாரதி.
சபாபதிக்கு வேறு தெய்வம் சமானமாகுமாதில்லை சபாபதிக்கு வேறு தெய்வம்.
காண வேண்டாமோ பாபநாசம் சிவன்.
வீடில் உலகை சுற்றி சுற்றி வந்தால் மேதினி போற்றும் சிதம்பர தேவனை காண வேண்டாமோ.
சேவிக்க வேண்டுமையா முத்து தாண்டவர்.
சேவிக்க வேண்டுமையா சிதம்பரம் சேவிக்க வேண்டும் ஐயா.
என்றைக்கு சிவகிருப்பை நீலகண்ட சிவன்.
என்றைக்கு சிவகிருபை வருமோ ஏழை என் மன சஞ்சலம் அருமோ.
ஆடும் சிதம்பரமோ கோபாலகிருஷ்ண பாரதி.
ஆடும் சிதம்பரமோ ஐயன் கூத்தாடும் சிதம்பரமோ.
ஒரு கால் சிவ சிதம்பரம் மாரிமுத்து பிள்ளை.
ஒரு கால் சிவ சிதம்பரம் என்று சொன்னால் இருக்காதும் வினையே.
Lord Nataraj of Chidambaram performs the eternal Ananda Tandav, symbolizing creation, preservation, and destruction through his cosmic dance within a circle of fire. The tradition of Natyanjali honors the sacred dance through expressive devotional art. Famous Bharatanatyam composers include Muthuswami Dikshitar, Gopal Krishna Bharti, Papnasam Sivan, Subbarma Dikshitar, and Dandayudha Pani Pillai. The Tanjore Quartet laid the foundation of Bharatanatyam, and Papnasam Sivan created timeless devotional kritis. Their compositions inspire dancers to interpret Lord Nataraj divine cosmic dance. 4 Bharatanatyam dance clips are presented.
குனித்த புருவமும் கோவை செவ்வாயில் குமிஞ்சிரிப்பும் பனித்த சடையும் பவளம் போல் மேனியில் பால் வெண்ணீரும் இனித்த முடையெடுத்த பொற்பாதமும் காண பெற்றால் மனித பிறவியும் வேண்டுவதே இம்மாநிலத்தே. மனித பிறவியும் வேண்டுவதே இம்மாநிலத்தே.
जय 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 शशिर विभूषण रूप भयंकर डमरुगहस्त तृतीय सहस्र दीक्षित नाथ नटेश कौत्वं जगजगता दिग्दिगिदै ताक्कु दिक्कु ताकीट तं किडकिडदगनम्.
சிவகாமி மணாள திருச்சிற்றம்பலம் தனில் புன்னகையோ இடது கரம் தோக்கி ஆடும் நடராஜனடி பணிவையே நெஞ்சே இடது கரம் தோக்கி ஆடும். ஆனந்த நடமாடும் நடராஜன் ஆனந்த நடமாடும் நடராஜன் சபேரன் பொன்னம்பல தரசனை புகழ்ந்து பாடுவோம்.
The Thilai Nataraj temple is far more than stone and sculpture. It is living spirit, a sublime harmony of architecture, art, music, and consciousness. Here, faith becomes dance, silence becomes song, and the soul glimpses an eternal truth, that the divine is both the dancer and the dance, stillness and sound, consciousness pervading all creation. Kindly see the 21 link videos on great saints of India connected with Chidambaram. Also see my detailed blog on Chidambaram temple. Links are in description. Thank you for journeying with me through this exploration of Chidambaram. I hope you enjoyed the depth and richness of its many dimensions. On the Kshetragnam channel, we have shared over 300 YouTube videos on sacred temples, great saints of India, and spiritual heritage. Do subscribe to the channel to receive updates on our future videos, and kindly share them with your friends and family so more people may appreciate the greatness of our temples and saints. Watching these videos before visiting the temples can greatly deepen the experience of darshan. A special note of gratitude to the 2 young artists who contributed the beautiful music and dance clips that enriched this video. Om Namah Shivaya.